I'm going to guide you through step by step how to use these prompts inside of ChatGPT. It's really simple. All you need to do is replace what is in red and italics with information about your business. So I'm going to highlight it, Command C, come over to ChatGPT, paste it in. I'm going to copy my information here that I created with BrandBot to create my brand summary. So I'm pasting that there. Press enter. And then in seconds, it's going to generate my social media strategy for me. And of course, with everything in ChatGPT, read it, tweak it, refine it, and use this to create your social media strategy going forward. Now, something to note, if you do find this part about entering in all the information about who you are, your mission, who you help, what you offer, your brand voice, I have created a brand bot to create your brand summary, as I had mentioned before. And I have all of this sitting in a document that I can copy and paste into ChatGPT very quickly and easily. You can head over here to Meet Brand Bot and find out how you can use this bot to create your brand summary so that you can train ChatGPT all about your brand, your ideal client, who you are, what you offer, your packages, your prices, your ideal clients' pain points and dream points, your mission, your business goals, all of this, so that you don't have to keep entering it into ChatGPT, and instead you're training it. Every time you enter in something about your business, it learns from you. And it just makes content creation super quick and easy when it has all this information at its fingertips. So come here, have a read through, and you can grab this at a bargain price. So if you need help creating content in your business, use these ChatGPT prompts to get you there in seconds. So whether you want to create a social media strategy, your ideal client avatar, create your Instagram bio, 90-day content calendar, your social media posts, captions to go with them, your Instagram story planner, reels creation, and then repurposing all of this into emails and so much more. This is where you start to make the whole process so much quicker and easier, saving you hours every week. So give it a go and good luck.